Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Java programming with BlueJ. BlueJ is one of the simplest and user-friendly software to execute Java programs. It is one of the popular software among students. Here we are going to see about BlueJ and the step-by-step instruction to execute Java programs. BlueJ is a free Java environment from Monash University, Australia. So it has been found in an university, Monash University in Australia. It is a window-based platform for Java Development Kit, JDK. So it is a GUI software where it will run in Windows platform, and you should have the JDK version 1.5 or above. That is, nowadays you got a lot of latest versions available to be installed before installing BlueJ. Now when you go to the website, you won't find JDK. It is already it comes under a bundled version. So when you install BlueJ, JDK latest version also will be included along with the installation files. So no need to worry about what version you are going to install. You will be installing the latest version already, which has been available along with BlueJ. BlueJ can be downloaded from the website www.bluej.org, and it is free of cost. So always, if you want to run Java programs, you are always welcome to use the BlueJ platform. Okay, so we are going to discuss how to do that. Now once you install, when you go to www.bluej.org, you can select your own platform. It is available under Windows version, and then you got Mac OS version, and then you got Ubuntu version. Okay, that is Linux version, right? So if you are selecting Windows version, it will download the zip file, and then you have to double click on the zip file, and you just install the software into your system. So once you install it, you will see a BlueJ icon like this in the desktop. Okay, you have to just double click on the BlueJ icon available on the desktop to start Java, right? So you double click on it, you will see a screen like this. So it is a logo. Okay, so it is the latest version which I installed, so it will be applicable whenever you install BlueJ. The procedure will be similar. Okay, the first BlueJ window appears on the screen. So once you see the screen, it will be empty. Okay, the screen shows project as the first menu. When you see the menu bar, that is first menu will be project. So just click on the project, and then you can select new project. So project is nothing but it's like an folder or directory. So once you put all the files, you need a directory or a folder to hold all that. Okay, so project is nothing but a folder, or you call it as directory. So project may contain number of BlueJ classes as program files. Here you are not going to store other files, you will have BlueJ classes. So once you create different classes, it will be stored under the project. So click project and select new project. So once you do that, you will see a small dialog box appears where you have to enter the name. So enter the project name and click on OK button. So according to your necessity, you can give an app name for it and then click on OK button. So once you do that, you will see a screen like this. The project with the name given will appear on the BlueJ window. So you can see on top whatever project name you are given will appear, and it is empty because you never did anything. So you can see in the left hand side new class is there. So if you are going to start any program, first program, just click on new class. Once you do that, you will see a dialog box again where you have a list of class types available, and on top you can see class name. It will be empty where you are going to enter the class name. Okay, so in the text box given. So since it is first program, I am just typing it as welcome, and then the class type by default it is selected as class. You got other types available. So if you are familiar with Java in later stage, you can select that. Okay, time being you are going to select class type as class and then click OK. Once you do that, you will see a screen with a class name whatever you entered. So here you can see welcome is the class which you just created. Now double click on it. Okay, when you double click on it, it opens a screen with a program. A sample program is displayed on the screen. So this program is only provides assistance to the user. So if you are new to Java program, how the Java program look like? So if you want a sample program is been given here, you can execute this program also and see the output. So this is the structure of a program, right? So if you already started with Java program, what you have to do is you have just select these lines by pressing Ctrl A, or you can click and drag from the first line till the end, and then press delete key or backspace key and make it empty, so that you can type your new program. Okay, after typing, I just created a blank screen, and after completing the program, click on compile button. So you can see a compile button on top. Okay, first button is compile button. When you click on it, you can see class compiled, no syntax error. This means the program is ready for execution. There is no error. Okay, program is ready for execution. If there is any error, it automatically shows the line, okay, and what type of error it is. Then you have to go and correct that error, and then click on compile again until you get this message, class compiled, no syntax errors. You have to repeat the same steps, identify the errors, and then finally once it shows no syntax error, then it is ready for execution. So already we discussed about the different structure of program. You can see a command line here, and then you got a class header, then open curly braces, and then you can see the main header here, okay, public static void main line, and then open curly braces for the main, and the executable statement, that is output statements are there. You got a list of statements just to enter. You are welcome, right? I'm welcoming you using this program. Just so you only have some output statements, and then close main function, and then close class. Okay, so this is all the structure of a program what I created just now. Now how to execute it? Come out, just close that window. Okay, whatever you type, the program window has to be closed. After closing, you can see the icon now. Okay, so you have to right click on that icon, and then you have to click on void main. You can see that void main string argues on the menu. Okay, below new welcome, you can see that since you created main function, it will be displayed on the list box. Just click on it. You can see an method call dialog box. Okay, you have to just click OK. Nothing, you are not going to enter anything, because you are not going to get the input from the user. You are not going to get any argument from the user. You are going to just execute the program. So just click OK button when this method call window appears, that is dialog box appears. So once you do that, you can see an output screen. You call it as terminal window, BlueJ terminal window, which appears. Okay, and then it displays whatever statements we entered in the program will be displayed on the screen. Okay, so this is how you are going to create first program and how to execute it. Suppose if you have anything to be done, you are going to do some modification, you have to again double click on the class icon, and then you will see the screen which you already created, the program screen which you already created will be shown on the screen, and then do the necessary changes and then recompile. So again, if you have any errors, it will show the errors. You have to correct it. Otherwise, if there is no syntax errors, then your program is error free and it is ready for execution. Now close the window and proceed for the execution. So you can continue with the execution, and then you will get the output on the screen, on the terminal window. So hope you understood this video. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.